công thì sao lì thế yên công
về tôi yên công luôn bởi định bộ tiền của chị ở đây nữa cho nên là hả bất cứ sẽ bên là hả tàu chị ở đây có chị nào nữa sai ư mong mẹ cả ở trong ô là ta thấy đâu ta nói chế lần chế ô là mình nè cho cái là mình chế cái gì cho cái là mình chế trong đó nó chế cái con nóท่านนั้นจะหอมลึกของนะ
This is the name everybody there. This is my family. This is my Zara and this is my son.
Picture. Okay, picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more.
1, 2, 3. มาก็เตอนุ่งก่อนเลยเนาะ
Nhớ tỏ bà.
ok y o p y o p ok sắp lại đi luôn
Bà đó bà. Ok bà.
Okay, one more.
oh yeah we mix you cho Kellen
cho nó nói thì đi chấm lo ra rồi mà
ok share rồi đó y o p ok giờ có tụi này bao nhiêu nhỏ này
Okay. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
richest surprises. When two lives join together to form an everlasting commitment. 中些在大内错冷测的要朋友一冷家，你老被多洗手 ，OK， happy 被多唱歌噶 ，Charlene， 可以讲个自己去的话，因能 OK。This commitment is founded upon mutual respect and affection. And this moment is one of life's finest experiences. The moment when a relationship grows into a permanent bond of love. Yingong and Charlene, they are so grateful to each one of you that you are here today to share and celebrate this important moment with them. Yingong and Charlene, you have a strong bond and a love that many people dream of finding. You are each other's best friends and number one companion. Look around you and take in this special moment. And at this time, I will call upon the very special Uncle Zhang Feng to read a special verse for the bride and groom.
So I will read to you guys. I will read to you guys 1 Corinthians 13. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. It does not delight in evil, but rejoices.
Laughter and unending love and respect. At this time, I will invite Nico and Charlene to share with all of us as witnesses the personal vows they have written for each other.
Believe in you, the person you will be, and the person you will grow into. The couple we will be together. With my whole heart, I take you as my wife, acknowledging and accepting your faults and strengths as you do mine. I promise to be faithful and supportive, and to always make our love and happiness my priority. I will be yours in plenty and in want, in sickness and in health, in failure and in triumph. And I will grieve with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring. You are my person, my love, and my life, today and always.
Okay, I can't always say I always saw this day coming from the moment we met, but I can say I hope this moment will come from the moment you asked me to this little girl. I cannot believe 11 years later, we are standing here in front of our closest friends and family. I know 11 years to many people sounds like a long time, but being with you never feels old. I love how you're so incredibly kind, welcome people. You work on yourself. I'm so proud of the person you are today. You showed me what love is and for never giving up on me. You pushed me to be my best self. love you unconditionally, to lay my bare skin on you when you get close, to care for you and our families for as long as we live. To adventure with you always, you have my life with joy and have given me a sense of laughter. You're my best friend, biggest supporter, and the best backup parent and the rest of the girl can ever ask for. I promise not to fall asleep when we watch movies with kids. I promise to be on time when we go out and not get upset at you for not being my choice and I'm still late. I promise to be your cheerleader to encourage you to follow your passions and dreams. For as long as we both live, I will be by your side, for better or worse. You're my one, my only. Can't imagine where I would be without you, and I cannot wait to continue this journey with you by my side. I feel like living the dream. I'll marry my high school sweetheart and my forever. I love you.
Partners to exchange rings.
Mommy, can you see?
Thank you, Vincent. Tall order. May these rings serve as a symbolic and physical reminder of this day, this moment of the promises you have made for each other. The ring, which is a perfect circle, has no beginning and no end. It is infinite, just like your love is intended to be. Yinko, as you place the ring at Charlene's finger, please repeat after me. Charlene,
Charlene,
please wear this ring
please wear this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my love for you
of my love for you
and as a reminder
and as a reminder
of our love
of our love
and partnership
and partnership
in the
commitment
that I have made to you
that I have made to you
on this day
on this very day.
in Mountain. You may now place the ring to Charlene's finger. And then Charlene, you can please repeat after me. Yinko, please wear this ring
Please wear this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my love for you
of my love for you
and as a reminder
and as a reminder
of our love
of our love
and partnership
and partnership
and the commitment
and the commitment
that I have made to you
that I have made for you
on this day.
on this day.
And now, Charlene, you may place the ring on Yinko's finger. Charlene and Yinko, may you keep these promises you have made to each other today. May you always feel safe and may you always know joy. May your days be filled with laughter and your future filled with happiness and hope. May you always have love in your lives and may you find peace and comfort in loving one another. Now, by the power vested in me by the state of Minnesota, I am honored to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the lovely bride.
appreciation of the month. We love each other so much. Then, yeah. Cái này người nó cứ xin là cho nó số một rồi nó được xong mà xin một rồi không biết nữa. Cái thứ hai có mấy thầy lúc nào có sự kiện có cái mù có cái vấn đề nữa mù thì chỉ cho ở bên thế đó nó sẽ ở trong rồi. Nhưng trong đây cái đó thì cái gì cũng là nó nữa mù do mà nó nhớ cái khôngคือเราไม่ได้สั่งก็ยังไม่ได้ดูจริงดูกับสีนะไม่ดูได้ยังหมดตู้หมดทีก็ยังดูไว้ดูอย่างพอก็จะรู้ต่องานก็ยังเส้นเส้นสื่อก็ยังดูไม่ดูเนี่ยตายดูก็จะใช้แล้วก็แน่นอนก็ยังไม่ดูงานตรงก็เนี่ยพอที่ทีก็ยังไม่ดูเนี่ยล้อเลยดูเนี่ยดูก็จะดูแล้วเนี่ยที่เขาเข้าไปเราcái nó có từ những cái chuyện của do nó nó lớn do nó hay là nó theo đuổi nó hay đúng đấy thì ta sẽ làm sai cái được phối sai sẽ là chúng mình có cái gì nữa bây giờ đấy không cái nó cái điều sẽ là nó nữa mà cái nó cái gì các chính là cũng đang có cái hoặc cái vấn đề đó chế đó là cái chế nữa thì cái là cuộc hòa là cái tôi ý chỉ là trong ca có một nó cũng là chỉ có một rồi thì cho nên là cái chuyện ngon nếu chúng ta dùng cái này tức là gì lúc này cái gì đấy chiều thì có một quy định gì cái gì là con nó là chỉ có nó là cái thì lúc này cái gì lúc là được gì nữa cho nên là nó có cái đó không có lúc là cái đó cái được có rồi có tôi cho cả cái chuyện pháp luật phải nhìn cái nữa nữa thì cái đó đấy nó được àก็ถือเป็นบริการจะถูกบ้านนอกเลยบ้านเหนือนอกเลยทรัพย์ในเหนือเกิดก็น้องผมก็อาจจะ60 years oldก็จะช่วยผู้ชอบกับผู้ใดได้อยู่ที่ใช้จิ๋วว่าผู้ใดได้อยู่ที่นอกอยู่ที่ว่าจิ๋วจิ๋วที่แบบเป็นที่ต้องเป็นตัวก็จะดูเราเนี่ยก็สักคำว่าถ้าถือก็ลงทุกก็เป็นจุดของผู้มองเนี่ยถ้าคุยกันอย่างนี้ได้จริงถ้าคุยกันอย่างนี้ได้จริงนะมันจะเข้าใจไหมcái lùi xuyên của con là cái cùng sàn một lần thì cái đứa con sản nhỏ bây giờ đôi người dùng này cái cái mục đây nha để chịu nó lên thể đó và chỉ có thể làm đó thế là không thể quan điểm tiếp tục sinh ở trong một đề yêu chủ nó chỉ chủ một khoảng sau của một đề tức là sau cái này rất là cứ phòng đề là mình còn là mình nữa so congratulations today is the first day as the last time. Whatever you do, think about this one. Không phải là cái câu nói là cái bên này suy nghĩ thì cũng chưa là nó hết mà nên sự thể hiện rồi cái là nó mình nhỏ nó thì hại nó tên nói cho nên là tự nhiên là cũng ít qua là cái là cũng một số cái tự nhiên là cũng là nó cái dùng sẽ hành để nó bài the first time I see you like that I'm so happy that you don't know me okay lu hãy nói với còn một số chuyện nó sẽ được không nữa tôi hỏi cho các người cha sẽ là thế nhiều giờ thế mà chỉ có mặt cho thế mà mình có thể cũng dùng được còn nếu không chơi nữa một tí có hãy là nó tin vào sổ mạng chỉ có cho đó
cái trâu đó là cái cô đó hãy chờ được một moment để cho nó bên
siblings are buying new van. She's already somewhere here taking photos. My younger brother Ishi Bang and my little sister Juanita. She's not here for this, okay? But I'll make it simple for you guys. I'm going to speak English, okay? Oh, I can't forget. I'll get in trouble on this one. Hey, that's my wife over there, see? Hey, stand up, stand up. I don't want to get in trouble later, you know? Okay, today is a very special day. We all couldn't be happier for you. For those, oops, it has been so lucky to have around with you. To be cousins so close in age, it was as if we were twins. You and I have known each other since we were little kids, and look at us now. It feels like if nothing has changed, but the feel real wasn't there yet. We have so many crazy memories. Almost everything you can imagine as a young and stupid adult. I love you, man. I got your back forever. Charlene, for the day I first met you, I was impressed my cousin was able to pull a beautiful girl like you. I can remember my Kay telling me all the things about this girl he met when he transferred to Central. He was so head over heels for me. This so-called e-girl Charlene. I was kind of jealous that my cousin was too busy to hang out now. But it's all cool. I could tell you made me happy. I could tell you made that silly crybaby kid into the man he is today. Without you, who knows what crazy girl he would be today. I'm glad you stuck with me the entire time. To wrap things up, I promise that you two are destined to be together like the fourth Hokage, Minato and his wife, Kushina. Now, can you guys hurry up and have a baby already? Hey, but I love you guys both. Thank you.
Dù cho lúc xưa chỉ đủ tệ một chỉ đủ đủ lũ cô lũ hành của dù ít chữ dù cho trên phát sĩ phải sau là nên mà dù lo chỉ có dù lúc chế lại dù là nó tờ nó lúc xưa lúc chữ nó tệ một rồi cho lúc xưa rồi cho là dù ít tuổi rồi nha rồi là gì nó biết được một quan niệm là gì là và có mình bảo là và nó có thếน้องๆตอนนี้คนใส่โดยเฉพาะในสีปาจูโดยเฉพาะโดยเฉพาะแต่ละคนเจ้าสัตว์เชียร์อยู่เนาะแต่ในอีกสิ่งนึงจะอยู่ว่าเราลูกอยู่ตัวนี้ลูกชาติตัวใหญ่น้องลูกนั่นลูกนั่นเยอะกว่าเจ้าสัตว์เองก็มีหมดลูกตัวเบามีหมดลูกตัวเล็กอ้อความมันจีบผู้มันตอนนี้แต่มองแค่นี้แต่เดียวนั่นโอเคว่าตอนนี้คือโดยความเราแค่ตรงนี้นิสัยนั่นก็เช่นนั้นยาที่เช่นนั้นเช่นเช่นอีกสิ่งหนึ่งของเราที่นั่นได้เจอตัวสาเหตุจะมาในใจของพระเจ้าแต่ถ้าผู้อยู่ในอยู่จากผู้มีข้อมูลแก่ไปก็นั่นว่าอยู่ตัวนั้นก็เยอะยังตัวเธอผู้เจ้าเช่นเช่นยาเราได้เจอตัวนั้นว่าของเราก็เยอะยังตัวนั้นมันหมองมันจีให้รู้สึกว่าจะได้เจอน้องนี่จะมีอะไรก็ได้เจอมานี่นั่นนี่ก็ถ้าน้องเล่นที่เราว่าหนักอยู่นั่นนี่ยังก็กันเนี่ยนั่นเราจะมานี่ยังน้องเราหนักอยู่นี่ถ้าเราเกิดอะไรเนี่ยเราหนักอยู่นั่นยังก็เราจะจะทำอยู่เทพอะไรอะไรอยู่จะกี่เรื่องที่เราอยู่ก็จะบอกว่าแต่ชอบเราว่าเนี่ยมันมีสิ่งนั้นโอเคคือเราจะหาเวลาวันนี้ย้อนดูตรงดร.ก็ดูนะนี่ตัวจริงแต่ดร.ก็นี่มีสิ่งอะไรอย่างพวกเราสอบวันนี้ก่อนในเราซึ่งนี่เราชิดชอบในก่อนมาอยู่ตัวของแต่บ้านสิทีไปช่วยเหลือคนยังเรามาเราไม่เชื่อเราจะดูเราไม่เชื่อเกียร์แต่ไปตัวของนี่ก่อนมาเนี่ยตัวใช้ได้ใช้รู้เชื่อนี่ลูกต้องท่องก่อนเป็นเจ้าชายสยามนี่นั่นจุ่มว่าเราซึ่งจุ่มในวันที่แล้วโอเคไอ้ยาในนั้นซึ่งโอเค
What an honor and family should have, I was just called out once, so it's like picking up a buffet. When you go to eat food, you said you're going to go to the first restaurant, you're going to go to the Chinese restaurant, you go right then. But since I'm just informed, I was like a buffet, so I'll be grabbing many things. But all the valuable words, trong chuyện kinh, trong lời nhạc của chúng để là các bạn đọc được cứu các bạn làm sao các sống linh các bạn làm các bạn các bạn làm là Peter các sĩ Peter tập các bạn làm để cũng trợ gì chỉ sư vì phụ cao sao là thảo đâu thảo cứu chỉ opinion của video production nhất là sunrise building cái sau đó là theo video production nó cái đấy họ bị số bên bên trái của nó của dân just vào là để cho almost say more arts and talents sau đó chúng ta hát để đi của mình cho mình nhiều tham gia vào đó để nó sang nó cũng là luôn luôn với những sản phẩm để trả vào những tấm lòng nhá rồi theo đó này 公已经报告他，报告跟哪个经验可能大陆开有地，都冇攞開有地，比較好，他們有空餘當做這啲模範嘅，都冇開有地，比較做拉的某種跟哪在下面我發的所有的有是他手的就塊，當然了，香港這邊跟哪能到 State Center 都要的 ，OK， 對，多謝大家。best and best 每個行會住啦，嗰三個嘅公都邊有錢嘛？海啲靠上，亦講我哋上海靠講我哋嘅第二個搞到 state standard，自己做咩都成咯，弄下依靠路會得到呢個知道我哋要風險嘅話，無論你話在哪裡要你，無論你翻譯出來，無論你翻譯出來的our friend taught me this. It's not my philosophy. My philosophy already pretty much read earlier from the verses of Corinthians. You know, there's no better thing in life than love. Love conquers all. That has been my philosophy. That's how I grew up in life. But I learned from a friend, a loud friend, who taught me that นะครับบอกนะครับฮักคนที่เขารักเราดีกว่าลูกถูกหรือลูกยืนร้องชาติถูกเดียวสามลูกนะครับเราเลยเจอเลยเราจะให้ปู่ถูกร้องเก้าเราจะให้ปู่ถูกร้องชองเราจะให้ปู่ถูกร้องยากลูกเป็นชาติได้สามได้สิ่งที่จะได้เป็นมาหน้าตรงนี้เป็นชาติเป็นชาติโอ้ลูกจะให้เป็นลูกคือลูกเนี่ยก็จงช่างก็有三路我们传染的导演一方自己的我们要买一种话给干起来给打斗there will be a darkest moment in your life and when the darkest moment will come close your eyes take a deep breath and think self-reflect and as you slowly open your eyes brighter days will come to you. So thank you and may God bless you for the better days to come. What's your mouth?
我